So guys, what doing? So here's another video. I went to, just set up an action video, and something came in the mail, and I was like, Jesus Christ, what was it? And a couple days ago, I ordered a shark puppet, and it came just in the mail, just in time. I've already got it right here. Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, there we go. See you guys? Okay. I just woke up, so that's why I'm in the pajamas. Don't judge me. Careful not to. There we go. And here's shark puppet. That is amazing. That's amazing. Okay. Really naked it. Drink me. I got a little bit of a cold. So yeah, that's why I feel not too good. Yeah, cheese. Go kart. That is amazing. It's smaller than I expected. It actually fits my hand. It's a little rubbery, just so you know, guys. I don't know if you know anything. Thanks, bro. Scrub all this stuff in. So, I just got this today. It's so amazing. That sounds weird. You know those like rubbery sponges, like you squeeze, I think it feels like that. That's amazing. Go kart! Jeez! 4th of July! Okay, lad guys, you can buy this off eBay, so yeah, if you want to order one of these, go buy it! Yeah! Bye guys! Bye bye! Also, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe!